This is amazing. This is one of my favorite dishes in India. Hi everyone, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere. I just arrived at my final destination on my incredible trip in India, Mumbai. It's been an amazing ride and I'm super excited to be wrapping up my final 72 hours in India's largest city. I'm going to be showing you some of the city's must-visit sites, take you on epic food tours day and night, and we're going to be doing it all with Uber. It's been an easy and safe way to get around India's busiest cities. I just requested an Uber ride on my app, now we're off. A lot of people have asked me about safety in India, and I'm always saying that common sense is the most important thing. Not to go out at night in unfamiliar neighborhoods, don't wear anything expensive, don't carry around all your money at the same time, but it's also about how you choose to get around that makes all the difference. Since I arrived in India, I've been using Uber, which I have found to be really convenient since it's available 24/7 all from the app. Plus, I can send my wife back home my ETAs and trip status updates. We're currently on a 12-hour time difference. My first stop was the Gateway of India. It was built in the year 1911 to commemorate the arrival of King George V and Queen Mary. It's beautiful, and from here you get ferries to many different places. We're going right now to Elephanta Island. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's go. The ferry ride to Elephanta Island takes about 1 hour. You need at least 2 hours to see the site. I recommend hiring a guide at the caves. Try to negotiate the price to be around 700 rupees, which is the equivalent of around 12-13 US dollars. When we got back, we headed straight to lunch to try some Maharashtrian cuisine. That is the state where Mumbai is located. Yeah, there's like a fried potato. Here in India, they don't grab the whole thing. They take small bites and they always use one hand. They never use the other hand. It feels like almost like a veggie burger. It feels like all vegetables, but potatoes in here, right? Yeah. The spices are so good. Sabudana Vada. I guess I break it. Never seen it before. Gooey and yummy. Then it was time to shop for souvenirs at Colaba market. Here you can find everything from scarves to glasses, jewelry, shoes. I'm okay, thank you. So many things here. I'm okay, thank you. Thank you. And lastly, to end the night, we headed to the CST train station to see it all lit up. This is one of the government buildings, and it was built pre-independence in Gothic style. Right across from it, we have the CST railway station. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was built as well in that period, Gothic style. It's gorgeous. It used to be called the Victoria Terminal. And right next door, we headed to eat some more Indian street food. Here we have Poy Pudgi. So it's basically tomato, potato, onions, mashed together. They cook it, and they put butter here. So make it very buttery. It's like a tomato paste, very light. Everybody here in India grabs small pieces. I grab like half the bread. I love the bread. This, look at that. What I love about it is how light it is. The next day we explored the Bandra neighborhood, but we first had a quick breakfast of Pani Puri. So Pani Puri, it's like a little crunchy, I guess like almost like a wonton. It's empty inside. They put two different like soups. One of them's like more like minty, and it just like it's an explosion in your mouth. Delicious. Next, we saw the beach. We had some ice gola, and we checked out some of the Bollywood celebrity houses. Then we made our way across town to the Mulund neighborhood to try Indian burger, or Kalidas Masala Vada Pav. The way he makes the burger is he puts butter, Indian butter. Then he puts masala. He throws, I think that's coriander. So he throws coriander on top. He basically boils it so it starts becoming like more like a paste. Then he throws the bread on top, open. Then he absorbs the masala into the bread. And then he closes the bread and then puts the masala all over the bread. And basically that's an Indian burger. This is how you eat the Indian burger. You just put this guy inside, then you close it? Yep. The chutney, okay. Oh my god. This is one amazing burger. Who would have thought a vegan burger is this
delicious.
To wrap up the day, we headed to the Muhammad Ali Road to try some non-vegan street food. Oh, it was delicious. Right here, we got a mutton roll. So mutton is a full-grown sheep, like an egg roll with mutton inside. Woo! It's on fire.
A little spicy, mix of spices in there. This is so good. Let's grab some of these. Oh, that calms down the heat. Oh, this is great. Good mix here.
This morning we headed north to Versova Beach. Afterward, we had lunch on Mud Island before taking the ferry to Versova Pagoda.
Last bite. The fish blew me away. Love the prawns. Woo! Now, where are we going? Buddha Temple, Pagoda.
We've arrived here at the Global Vipassana Pagoda. It's a meditation hall that was built in 2009 on donated land. It's beautiful. We're not allowed to film inside though, so unfortunately I can't film, but you can see some of the photos that we took. To end my stay in Mumbai, I headed to the famous Juhu Beach. This beach is best known for its night street food scene. Right here we have paneer chili. They made it extra chili for me.
It's like a tofu with a lot of different like Chinese sauces. A lot of vegetables you can see right here. The spice is not here yet. I don't know what he's talking about. This is amazing. This is one of my favorite dishes in India. Straight up. I mean, I love Chinese food, so.
Those are some of the best sights and street food dishes in Mumbai. The reality is, you need several days to explore this massive, chaotic, and historical city. We sampled the best of the best and saw some breathtaking things, but now it's time to head back to the States. Remember, getting around Mumbai doesn't have to be stressful. Your Uber app is the best way to request a ride from a legitimate and friendly driver who knows the local traffic patterns. Remember to download the app before traveling anywhere in the world. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for updates on the new episodes. See you on the next adventure.